Hello ladies and gentlemen. In today's tutorial we are going to make this amazing 3D model animation with slide scroll menu. First you have to take a blank slide, then insert the picture you want. After that go to Insert, select 3D models, and insert one of the model like this. Place the model on the left side of the slide, and enlarge it. Now, we will make a slide scroll menu. Click on Insert and create a circle. Make 4 equal-sized circles. Select all circle, give them a no fill and white outline. For first slide, give first circle a white fill. Now insert your text. Make a duplicate slide, and adjust the model to the right side, and text to the left side of the slide. Delete the existing text and insert the new text in the second slide. For the second slide, give the second circle a white fill, while the first circle has no fill. Again duplicate the slide. For the third slide, repeat the steps of the slide scroll menu. Now delete the previous text, go to 3D model and change the scene of the model. Insert new text. Continue with the fourth slide in the same manner. Then select all the slides and go to Transitions and apply Morph Transition. Here you are done. For more tutorials subscribe to my channel.